Today, we're making this delicious and creamy cauliflower risotto with seared scallops. In place of traditional arborio rice, I'm using cauliflower rice for a low-carb twist on this classic dish. To start, heat olive oil in a saucepan and sweat a diced onion until translucent. Add in some minced garlic and cook until it's nice and aromatic. Add some fresh thyme leaves. Add the cauliflower rice into the pan and cook that for 2 to 4 minutes. Add in grilled diced fennel and mix well. Deglaze the pan with white wine and cook until the cauliflower is tender. Add the LeGout cream soup base, which will bring a smooth, creamy texture and rich flavor to the risotto. Add the shredded Parmesan and fold gently into the risotto. Serve the risotto in a bowl. Lightly dress some arugula with Hellmann's lemon za'atar vinaigrette for a zing of flavor that will contrast nicely with the creamy risotto. Top the risotto with the colorful dressed arugula and a seared scallop. Finally, garnish with some Parmesan and serve. This rich and creamy risotto makes an elegant entree without the carbs.